Biodiversity Introduction. What is biodiversity? The variety of plant and animal life, in the world, or in a particular habitat, a high level of which is usually considered to be important and desirable. Biodiversity short note by National Geographic Channel. Biodiversity refers to the variety of living species on Earth, including plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi. While Earth's biodiversity is so rich that many species have yet to be discovered, many species are being threatened with extinction due to human activities, putting the Earth's magnificent biodiversity at risk. Biodiversity term popularized by the sociobiologist Edward Wilson. He had also Nobel Prize for his research. All his research about biodiversity is available at his book, Biophilia. Also his one-off speech about biodiversity link is available in description. According to him, look closely at nature. Every species is a masterpiece exquisitely adapted to particular environment in which it has survived. Who are we to destroy, or even diminish, the biodiversity? Let's discuss type of biodiversity. In our biosphere, immense diversity exists not only at the species level, but at all levels of biological organization. Let's discuss type of biodiversity. 1. Genetic diversity. 2. Species biodiversity. 3. Ecological biodiversity. Genetic diversity. A single species show high diversity at genetic level over its distributional range. Let's discuss through genetic variation, shown by the medicinal plant, Rauwolfia vomitoria, known as devil's pepper. This plant grows at different Himalayan ranges, due to potency and concentration of active chemical rhizobium that plant produces. Another example are, India has more than 50,000 genetically different strain of rice, and 1,000 variety of mango. Species diversity. It is represented as the diversity of species level. Understand through an example. The Western Ghats have a greater amphibian species diversity than the Eastern Ghats. Ecological diversity. It is the diversity at ecosystem level. India, with its deserts, rainforests, mangroves, coral reefs, wetlands and alpine meadows, has a greater ecosystem diversity than a Scandinavian country like Norway. Rajasthan desert, Western Ghat rainforest, Indian mangroves, coral reef, Bay of Bengal, wetland of Sundarban, Himalayan alpine meadows. Detailed study of how many species are there on Earth will available on the next video of this series. Keep tuned, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more biological videos first. Bye, we will meet on next video.